Globally, the demand for farmed meat is growing, along with an increasing desire for improving animal welfare and sustainable greener farming practices. The key to achieving these goals and maximising production efficiency is accurate data that's easy to understand. What if you had the opportunity to unlock this data, starting with something as simple as a patch? That's the promise of SOLARIA, an innovative ecosystem for livestock farmers, animal caretakers and researchers that will address consumer demands and enable action by providing better understanding of animal health in real time. And it begins with a non-invasive patch. The sensor extracts and transmits a wide range of health information, including heart function and respiration rate. After processing by artificial intelligence algorithms, you will view optimized real-time livestock data and predictions via an easy-to-understand dashboard. The potential benefits of continuous monitoring of animals' health and physiology are widespread and include a road to digitization for the farming sector and a boost to assist economic recovery, prediction and reduction of animal disease and stress, better decision-making, the nurture of environmental and economic sustainability, better environmental practices and greener farming, leading to reduced usage of agrochemicals and energy, accurate data for researchers, breeders and other high-end industrial users, and ultimately better quality food for consumers and a healthier population. By closing the critical information gap, SOLARIA aims to position the Netherlands as front-runner in the field of digitised livestock health monitoring and smart farming. For more information, contact SOLARIA by our website or email.